Okay, I'm going to show you how you can fix your backup camera on your XC40 by actually making it stick out just a little bit more, as well as lifting up this back end here so that it tilts your camera forward a little bit more. Tilting it forward will give you about half a foot of additional visibility at 10 feet. So let's walk through that. All right, open reverse. And you can barely see that first one, and you can see that our lip is still exposed. And you did see a little bit of a lip on the one with the modification, but it's the way that the fisheye lens is actually put into the seat. So it's nothing you can get rid of. That's why I pushed out the back a little bit so that it lifts up the viewing angle. All right, so this is what's required to add the spacer. First, you take out the two T25 screws. All right, and when you do that, you hold on to this piece and you sort of rock it down, and it just comes right out. And try not to bump these white pieces because they'll slide off and they could fall back here, but you can still get them if they do. All right, you slide the spacer in like this. And in order to put this piece back on, sort of pull the spacer off to the front like this. And you get it to line up with the white screws. And you go back and you lift it up a little bit. Get it lined up, make sure it's all right. And once you have the gasket in there just right and it pushes up to the top, put your screws back in. And you just want it tight enough so that there's a good seal here. Looks good. Yep, that's good. And that's it. Let's go see what it looks like. So if you can see, we've got the second piece of tape that you see back there. So let's go check the measurements of what that is. So the second one is 3 feet. And the other one is 2.5 feet, and that's the stock one. And I'm going to put this back. I'm going to show you how to reverse the process, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. All right, to reverse this, it's just as easy as how we put it on. It's actually easier to put it back on without the piece. And I've read on the forums that this backup camera has nothing to do with any of the safety sensors or any of the backup sensors. It's strictly for doing both the backup view and the 360 view, and it doesn't impact the stitching with the 360 view either. All right, so I lost one of these. Luckily, it's right there. if you do lose one of these in here, do not close your gate door. I'm not sure how you would do that anyway, but. All right, so we took it off already. Putting it back is even easier. Assuming you can line up the screw piece on the inside. And if you see, we have the lip back now. All right, we're gonna see what it looks like on our measuring stick.